Hi, my name is Polzn Bladz, and this is my first contract signing with a record label, and I've been a student of Allan's for the last 13 months. I started knowing nothing about DAWs and computers and MIDI keyboards and Logic, stuff like that, and it was all through watching Allan's tutorials. I bought every single one, following them, writing down notes of each of the tutorials, so I've got all my notes there if I need to refer back to, watching, re-watching each tutorial, and then getting to a certain stage where you think, well, I'm pretty good, but I need to get to the next level. And the one-to-ones really took me to the next level with Allan Morrow. So the problem with my mix downs was there was a certain frequency that was always having some sort of conflict. And when he looked at the project file, he saw that my multipressor was engaged in a certain area, and you know, once he informed me that, you know, I've got to take that multipressor off, have it on but not actually being engaged, then my mix downs was much more clearer. So my favourite tutorials has been the mix down ones, very in depth, and the melodies, making melodies, and kick and bass, and the acids was probably my favourite tutorials. But I started knowing nothing, and you know, I sent many emails to Allan, and he, you know, probably got annoyed with some of the emails that I've kept asking him, because I just had no idea. I can't play the piano, I come with nothing, and now I've got my first release after 13 months of learning music production. Bear in mind that I spend at least 5 to 6 hours minimum a day learning music production, but I've got to a stage now where I know what I'm doing, I know where I'm going, and you know, most of that is down to Allan Morrow's help.